Can you imagine a world where a young, rebellious school dropout would go on to redefine our understanding of the universe? This isn't the plot of a Hollywood film, but the true story of Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in history. Born in the German kingdom of Württemberg on March 14, 1879, Einstein's early life gave no hint of the intellectual fireworks to come. A mediocre student, he disliked the rigid discipline of German schools and dropped out at age 15. But Einstein's curiosity couldn't be curbed. His self-studies led him to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he graduated in 1900. A series of odd jobs followed, including a stint as a patent examiner. It was during this time that Einstein began to develop the revolutionary theories that would make his name. In 1905, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change the course of physics on the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the equivalence of matter and energy. Einstein's work catapulted him to the forefront of the scientific community. In 1915, he presented his general theory of relativity, a radical rethinking of the nature of gravity. The theory was confirmed 4 years later by British astronomers during a solar eclipse, and Einstein became a global sensation. Throughout the 20s and 30s, Einstein's fame and influence grew, but the rise of the Nazis in Germany cast a dark shadow. A Jew, Einstein left Germany in 1933 for the United States. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he would remain until his retirement. Einstein's later years were marked by a relentless search for a unified field theory, a single framework that could explain both gravity and electromagnetism. Though he never achieved this goal, his work laid the foundation for much of modern physics. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his legacy is far from confined to the past. His theories underpin much of our current understanding of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. His equation E=mc² has become a symbol of scientific genius. But Einstein's legacy extends beyond the realm of science. His pacifism, his advocacy for civil rights, and his warnings about the dangers of nuclear weapons resonate to this day. He was a humanist as well as a scientist, a man who understood that knowledge must be guided by ethics. So, as we remember Albert Einstein, we should celebrate not just the revolutionary scientist, but the man who dared to question, to dream, and to challenge the status quo. His life and work remind us that the greatest leaps forward often come from those who refuse to accept the world as it is, but instead dare to imagine what it could be.